Good afternoon, my wonderful YouTube viewers. I'm here again with the mixing tools, and this is my salt rock lamp. That is optional. So talk about having an obsession with mixing tools. Wherever I go, I look in the kitchen section, Walmart, my local grocery store, the restaurant store. Look at all these. This one's really cool, but I'm probably going to use this for mixing resin. It is silicone. I got this at Big Lots. Here's another nice one. So what I'm attempting to do today is drilling holes into the mixing stick. Now this one I've already started, and I'm planning on drilling a few more so that when I mix, some of the paint goes in and out and I feel like it might mix better. And this is an emery board, so after I drill the hole, I just sand it. You could get a sanding stick. So this one I've started. Let me move these out of the way. This one I've started. These are just, wooden craft sticks. So I found it best to start with a small drill bit and then gradually work your way up. I'm going to bring up my old wood cutting board, and this I use, to drill, because this item here is a marble. Of course, I don't want to drill into that. So it's best to start with a smaller drill bit, make a hole. These things are kind of tough. I now have my drill. It's a portable, I was going to say wireless drill, but it's actually, rechargeable. So I'm going to drill the next hole. And you could get crazy and just measure and make it more even, but it's just a mixing stick, so I eyed this. So I'm going to drill through the next hole. I'm going to turn it over. The hole is there from the smaller one, and I'm going to drill the other side. Alright, so that one is drilled through, but we still need to go, I believe, to the larger size, which is that drill bit. So let me remove the bit and place the larger one into my drill. And we'll begin with that one. Now this drill has this button here that when you push in the middle, the trigger, won't move. So when I push it all the way over, it's ready. So I'm going to drill now. Start slow, go a little faster. Going to go the other side. I like to go like this with the stick. I don't know if that actually helps. Almost there. I am wearing safety glasses. So here's my emery board. This is just an old emery board that I used for my nails. And I'm just going to sand a little bit of the extra wood off. Another thing I do, this is not anybody taught me these things, you kind of learn on your own. And just take this other drill bit. And actually, I don't think I have any sanding paper. Alright, so anyway, so here's the drill, and this drill I did purchase at Aldi's along with these drill bits. Okay, and I just like shopping at Aldi's. It's really near my house. I can find so many cool things. I don't work for them. I don't make any money. All right, so let's go through these mixing spoons. Now here's a ruler I found in all my supplies. Look, it's already got the holes, so you could use this to mix. Here's just a mixing stick that Sherwin-Williams paint store gave me when I purchased a gallon of paint. Now you can buy paint there that's, it's not old paint, it's just paint that's mixed and somebody doesn't want the paint because maybe it's not quite the color, so they sell it for cheaper. I bought it a gallon for $10. Here's the ugly mixing spoon that I made before. Remember when I cut it with the knife? They're really ugly. I actually don't like this. I thought I was going to really like this, but I think I'm going to like these. Now I did attempt to drill through this, and I got a really small hole. Silicone, these are silicone, are very difficult to drill with. Maybe I need another kind of drill bit. So I might just leave these as they are. Here's some other mixing sticks that I started. Kind of like this one a lot. So that's it for all the nice mixing spoons. Oh, but look what I found. Oh my goodness, a lottery ticket, Pennsylvania lottery, in my mixing stick basket. Oh my gosh, I wonder if I won. Oh, I don't think I did. Maybe next time. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. I hope that you'll like and subscribe and come back again and see more of my videos. Great, well, have a nice day. Bye-bye. Hi guys, again. I'm back with the mixing spoon. I wanted to show you on my tablet. I'm logged into a site in the UK. Here's the mixing tool I want. Go close it out real quick and I'll show you the site. It's large reusable resin mixing spoon from the site in the UK called Resinate. And I saw a woman on YouTube, I think it's Kathy Lane, I believe. She was mixing her resin with this stick, and I said, that's what I want. Show a little closer. That's the one I want. But I hacked that and put all the holes in my mixing sticks that maybe I can somewhat copy this, just because I don't know if I feel like ordering from the UK. Sometimes my mail's messed up. You know, my USPS mail. So there it is. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.